Hello, today we're going to be touring a wonderful Bernal Heights home. We're at the exterior of the building. As you can see, it's located on a very quiet street. This comes with 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, nice big living room, parking, laundry, and yard. Okay, so let's enter. You walk into this nice living room, dining room combination. The kitchen is located in the back. There are wood floors throughout. 2 levels where the bedrooms are located above. Okay, so here you have a fireplace which separates the dining and living room. There are beautiful skylights throughout, letting in lots of natural light. Amazing kitchen with stone counters. You have a dishwasher, gas range, refrigerator, skylight over the dining area, and you have direct access to a deck and a few steps down is the backyard. And while we're down here, I'm going to show you the garage before we head on up and complete the tour. Okay, so here is the garage. Laundry machines are located here. And now let's head on back into the unit. Please visit our website at rentalsnsf.com for current pricing and specific details on this lovely space. Okay, so here we are back into the kitchen, and we're going to walk up and I'll show you the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. Just a couple of steps up. This is the front bedroom. There are double pane windows here. So this is a very quiet space. This also has a nice big closet, and this goes all the way back. Recessed lighting. The 2 bedrooms are separated by the full bathroom and a nice linen closet located conveniently outside. Okay, you have a bathtub and shower combination, nice medicine cabinet. There is a ceiling fan that sucks up all the moisture. Nice medicine cabinet. And there's your shower head. Okay, here is the back bedroom. This has direct access to a nice balcony. Overlooking the yard. Okay, if you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.